Well, hello there, friends and family. It's been a while since I've put anything together. I've got a little bit of progress done. I've got all the distributor in, spark plug wires, spark plug separators, batteries all in, clutches in and hooked up, working. The brakes are bled and working. Put the dash in. It's all in. As you can see, radio's in, working. Glove compartment's all in. Nice and pretty. The engine runs. It goes in tomorrow for exhaust. It's coming out the H pipe right now, but well, it's coming along. It's a big shot getting it running. Or I can drive it after I get the exhaust done. I'll get the front end aligned and then start hanging doors and fenders and pretty shiny stuff. That's about it. I've got the air conditioning condenser on order. It should be here in a few days. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.